So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to do an unboxing video today. I haven't done an unboxing video since last year. So I decided to, I was just looking at one of the shops were actually open and we're selling models, and I picked out two models that I was meaning to get for a very long time. I finally got them, so I'm going to unbox them for you guys and see what I think of them. So, start with is this Big Britain's low loader. I really do like this one. I can't wait to get it out of the box. I'm just going to show you the box first. As you can see, Cane. It's a Cane low loader. Britain's model. I'll just kind of bring these back so you can see it. So yeah guys, we've after hitting 300 subscribers on YouTube, so thank you very, very much. This is kind of going to be my 300 subscriber special. As you can see there, we have around the box, we have the tonnage weight, and then the rim size, and then obviously what actually dimensions it is. So yeah, it's a very nice transporter. I was meaning to get it, especially for the new farm, as I'm going to use it as a new addition, build your own farm. So yeah, we're going to get it out of the box, and yeah, we'll hopefully see you in a few minutes. And so we have her out of the box now. Looks like a very, very nice trailer. Yeah, it's I think the ramps can go down on the back. Look at the back of that. That's actually really good. I just after taking it out of the box, so my reaction is just as good as yours. I know these models that I bought are probably not the newest of new models, but to me they are. So I don't know how to figure out. Does that go out fully, or does it? Oh yeah, I think that's it. So much is it? That's one of the ramps anyway. Oh yeah, the ramps go down. So oh yeah, it's just it's brand new. So there you go. There's the ramps down. They're just held in with those little clips, and then obviously I think this goes up as well, or down, or does it? Oh, I think it's permanent. I know the other ones, you were able to adjust that. It's a bit of a shame. I thought I was able to level up, but anyway. Yeah, other than that, very, very nice. I really like the fact it's a grey or yellow trailer. I like, and the nice neat wheels on it. They're not so much, they're definitely what will be on the low loader, as they're meant for the road tires, the kind of road tires on them. Yeah, it's a good strong build. I think there's this kind of a suspension on it as well. It's a bit of a there's a small bit of movement. Well, it's not like an NC trailer, but yeah, it's perfect. That's really nice. So yeah, that's the first item. So the second item is this. It's a John Deere 619595M. I was going to get this tractor a few years ago, but actually, believe it or not, it was at Christmas time, and they actually sold out in the shops that year. Or that particular shop I was going to get them out of, so I ended up actually getting a Massey 5612 and Fleming dual bay lifter with a few animals. So yeah, finally got it now. I'm going to take it out of the box. Now I know some people mightn't like it, or just have their own opinion on it. But we're going to get out of the box. See what I like. I really like the box. This is very, very nice, collectible kind of a John Deere orientated. Obviously, I showed you already, but that's what it would look like in real life. I really like the fact that it's kind of the new front, but kind of the older style cab. That's kind of the older, like 6930 or 6920 series cabs, you know, with that kind of back window, not like the modern ones. There's kind of like that little window on the cab. I really like that. Like, that's kind of an older styler cab, but with the new front. I always vowed if there was a model I would get it. So yeah, we finally get it, and we're going to get her out of the box and see what she's like. We have her out of the box. What a lovely looking tractor it is. I'm just looking at it now. Very, very, very nice. Now I will say, now I'm just after seeing it there, you can see the sticker. It's a sticker on the front, and it's starting to come off on that side. I'm just going to put that back. It's a pity it's doing that. But aye, she's actually not bad for Britain's models. Britain's you know, it's meant for, it's not meant to be, it's not like a what do you call it, Universal Hobbies. It's not meant to be, it's meant to be just a chunky tractor that, you know, it's kind of a sweet spot between collector's item and then a toy for young kids as well to play with. So but yeah, that's actually not bad. I really like the big wheels on her anyway. Oh, she has the Britain's linkage, brand new green linkage. Yeah, she has the double lights. That's nice. It's nice to have, because actually all the tractors in Ireland, or John Deere's you see, have the doubles, and on my CQ 6820 there's only single ones, and it looks terrible. It's one feature I wish they had double lights. As you can see, she has beacons on her, full beacons. That looks so well. I'm very happy with the fact she has beacons on it. She also has obviously the all important front weight, 3-point weight. I don't. She's full steer. Look at that for steering actually. Oh, that's so nice actually. It's kind of a bit of a tilt in her. Now that is excellent steering. It's actually really well done. Like, oh, like that is class. She'll get into a yard, no problem. Like, you happy with that? So guys, sorry about that. The camera turned off, so I have to retake it. But yeah, very nice. I'm actually very impressed with this model. Now in fairness, I had my doubts of how well it would look, as I did look at a lot of photos online. I've seen a lot of other people's reviews on the 6195M, and they had mixed reviews. Some people didn't like them because we're just a bit too basic. They didn't really like the look of them. That's their opinion. I respect that, but I really like this model. Very happy with it. How it looks. We'll see how the test of time, you know. But I'm the more I look at it, and the more I appreciate all the detail that Britons did actually put into it. To be totally fairness, like, they could have made it. They could have made a nicer job, especially the bonnet. Look, even the detail on the bonnet. You can see all the vents there. I know the one thing I will say, I wish if they were real lights instead of stickers, it would. So yeah, I would have liked if they made a bit of effort when it comes to making something like that print onto here. It would have been a bit nicer than stickers. As you can see, it's a bit wider, but yeah, I think it looks alright otherwise. I'll just put that out of the way. Yeah, but other than that, when you look past the front, like the wheels and all, I was looking at them and I was thinking the wheels look a bit too big, but actually they look alright. I do like the fact that the back of it is a bit more compact. If we look at, I'll keep comparing it to the Massey's, so it's a good one to kind of show the comparison. So as you can see in the Massey, it looks like there's extra wide shafts on this one. Like, it's really wide tractor for the wheels. Like, you know, the mudguard, the wheels like out here, which looks a bit silly. I really like the fact that the John Deere is nice and tucked in, like what the real life one looks like. I'm very happy with that. The black mudguards, don't mind about them. Cab, inside the interior of the cab, I'll just pick these up so you can see. Very detailed. Like, it's Britain's model at the end of the day, but they did do pretty well when it came to what the interior of the John Deere looks like. And then she also has the AdBlue on the side there. I really like them front wheels, and obviously the front 3-point linkage on the front of it as well. Looks really well. It's going to suit my farm, my new farm, very well. As I'm going to use this alongside the cane trailer, obviously to bring all the new equipment to the new farm eventually. Yeah, I love the new big mirrors and everything on it. Absolutely spot on, Britons. I will give this model a 9 out of 10. As it looks, it's other than the fact that the stickers on the front, everything else is very well done, and I'm very happy, especially with the steering lock. Now there's a toolbox and all on the side of it, so it's a real, if anyone likes John Deere's and you like big tractors and stuff like that, definitely go ahead and get yourself and you're not too mad in, like, if you're looking for just a model to go on the farm and a big tractor and you don't really mind too much. I love detail myself, but for value for money, this is actually not bad for 30 quid. I think I paid 30 quid for this, 29 for the low loader trailer. So yeah, it's a fair enough price. For what you're getting, it's worth its money. We'll see it now, hopefully out in the layout soon enough. Yeah, really like, especially that exhaust. Look at that exhaust. That's proper. It's definitely very well done, and fair play to Britons. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the little view. She's a little bit of detail there with the spool valves, but it's not too bad considering it's a Britain's tractor. Britain's definitely came out with a nice model when they came up with this one. I'm looking forward to what they bring. They're bringing out a few more models, maybe at the end of the year or during the summertime. Hopefully I might get the Ford 6610. So comment down below what model you're thinking of getting. It could be Britain's or anything like that. Just comment down below, and we can have a little chat about it. Thanks so much, guys, for 300 subscribers on YouTube. It really means a lot. All the support. If a few people watch my videos, that's me happy, me satisfied. It keeps me busy, and I like doing it. So if it just makes a few people happy, that's what I'm in for. I'm not for the big wins or the big amount of subscribers. So thank you very much for 300 subscribers. Been doing YouTube a very long time, so every counter counts, and I love reading your comments. So any comments you want to write down, leave a question or anything like that, it's really I like reading them. It's the highlight of YouTube, really, for me anyway, when getting to know you a bit better or asking any questions, and I'll maybe be able to help you along the way. So yeah, guys, I hope this video just got around 10 minutes because I don't want it too much further than that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Hopefully there's a few big things coming up along the way. I'm not going to on the real life farm, so hopefully I'll let you know what it is in the near future. But yeah, until then, see you again soon. Bye for now. I'll just leave you with a few shots with the 6195M and the new cane trailer low loader. See ya.